Hi my friends, it's great to see you again in today's video. Today, we are going to explore a special vegetable that you may have never seen before. It's actually grown from the tuber of a vegetable plant in the chicory family. What's really interesting is that they have to be grown in a dark environment to produce those unique and beautiful yellow buds like that. Because if grown in the light, photosynthesis will create a normal chicory plant. They are called Belgian endives. Because the cultivation process involves several steps, their price is quite high. However, their taste is delicious and popular in Europe. They have a slightly sweet and mild flavor and are commonly used in appetizers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how they are cultivated. Let's check it out. The first stage of cultivation is planting chicory to grow for tubers. Speaking of its name, why isn't it called the bud of chicory but Belgian endive? That's because it was first discovered in Belgium in the 1800s. Endive is a term used to describe the last things to appear. Have you ever heard of or tried it before? If so, please comment below. Also, be sure to watch until the end because the video is very detailed with interesting things. The chicory plants are grown in May or June on soil that has been improved and leveled using modern seeding machines. Then, they're arranged in rows to allow the tubers to develop. Chicory plants begin to develop tubers after 3 to 4 months. These are also called chicory pens. This part is not edible and will be harvested to prepare for the next stage. Let's take a minute to see the beautiful harvest scene. Although it's harvesting time, this stage is only half of the process of growing Belgian endives. If you grow carrots, you can eat them right away. But growing this vegetable you have to wait. After the harvest is complete, it is transferred to the factory for sorting. Here the tubers are harvested in September will be transferred to the second stage. As for the harvest in October and November, they will be put in the freezer. The grading of the tubers is done automatically based on size. The wooden crates filled with tubers are then sent to the cold brewing stage. Where the production of endive buds is slowed down, and the decay process of the tubers is minimized. Ice is added and room temperature is -1 degree Celsius. completely freezing the water in the tubers. This way the tubers can be stored for many months until next year's harvest. September harvest. This is a modern process compared to the one at the beginning of the video. The tubers will be placed in a plastic honeycomb tray like this, eliminating the need for planting and covering with soil. The hydroponic farming method is used, and nutrient water is directly irrigated onto the tubers. Of course, the environment still needs to be dark. We need to regularly check if they are developing well or not. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks to be able to harvest. At this point, the tubers have rooted. Bulbs grown using this new method are not bitter. One day, 7 days, 21 days. When the size of the bud is large enough and has a shiny yellow color, it's ready to be harvested. Now it's time to harvest. The harvesting process is very beautiful and satisfying. As we know, they are very popular in European cuisine, especially in France and Belgium, where consumption is highest. Belgian endives can be prepared in many dishes such as salads, stir-fry or soup. It is also often used as a seasoning in dishes such as sandwiches or pizzas. Moreover, endive is considered a nutritious food because it contains a lot of fiber and vitamins. It is rich in several micronutrients, with vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate. Belgian endives are low in calories and fat, making them a great option for diet meals. However, today, the consumption has decreased compared to 10 years ago. Therefore, exporting is necessary to introduce this special vegetable to the world. After harvesting, these trays are washed to be ready for a new crop. Next, let's take a look at another way of growing, the traditional method. This time, they are arranged to be directly planted into the soil, or covered with soil. Of course, with a water system underneath. Covered very carefully for complete darkness. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you feel in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share if you like it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.